Hello and welcome on Watches TV, welcome at the Watches Club, and today we have the pleasure of having Mrs. Alce Montfort, better known as Maison Alce, and it's a special day for you because just yesterday evening, well, she just received this little fancy little award. But we'll get on this a little bit afterwards, I mean. So, first of all, can you explain us a little bit the story behind your project?
We like to share the beauty of watchmaking know-how, and we develop a watchmaking box set. Thanks to this, with watchmaking teachers, with watchmaking expert and a designer, to develop a movement that everybody can assemble by himself. Our goal is to share the beauty of watchmaking, and when the passionate assemble, can be in a bubble of concentration. Like
well, probably better be in that bubble, otherwise trouble could arise. Yeah. And what is your background? Where do you come from?
I'm an engineer in photonic, but I worked for beautiful maisons like Hermès, Cartier, Tag Heuer, and I was here to help the craftsman.
And how did this idea come from then? I guess from some of those experiences.
Yes, there were a lot of years when I was a children. I really like do something by myself. I really like do it yourself, you know. And I discover when I became engineer, I discover watchmaking, and I said, okay, it's so beautiful. We have to share this at everybody. So my goal was to share the beauty of do-it-yourself with the watchmaking know together.
But then from an idea to actually make it happen, how did that work? I mean, I guess there's always a little gap between the two.
Yes, I'm not a watchmaker, but I have a very good team with Thierry Ducret, who is meilleur ouvrier de France in watchmaking. It's best craftsmanship in France. We have Antoine Choumi, designer, and Jean-Marie Descranches, who is a watchmaking teacher. Thanks to these teachers, they know every difficulties for the students when they assemble a movement. So at the beginning, 3 years ago, we say, okay, we have to develop a movement that everybody can assemble. So, okay, here the passionate, the apprentice can discover difficulties. So we have to contour this and to develop everything. For example, the tools are developed for an apprentice.
Okay.
We have a specific material to reduce the risk of scratch.
Okay.
So everything is okay, it's an apprentice. How everything can be all right for him.
Okay, that makes sense. And so overall, how many components do you have to finally be able to present this?
We have 33 components, and 169 it's you who will assemble, because it's one component is pre-assembled, it's a regulator.
Which can make sense. Yeah.
Yes, it's here, but everything, it will be you will do everything. You can see in this watchmaking box, you have all the little components, very teeny, to create this watchmaking timepiece.
So let's say you're a real beginner. How long would it take you approximately to assemble it?
Good question. It's near 10 hours, but you have to be in a bubble of concentration, you know? So it's really 10 hours for you. Only for you. You do nothing but only watchmaking.
And so far, who are your kind of typical clients?
We have two types of clients. We have one client, it's passionate. Passionate who want to discover to understand how the movement. It's the same movement at watch movement, but it's in a
bit
bigger,
larger, yeah.
yes. So he said, okay, I really like watchmaking. I would like to discover everything. And it's passionate with different level. You know, it's person who know nothing about watchmaking, about the knowledge of watchmaking, but also we have more expert, yes, and everything is developed to go really far in the discovery of watchmaking. So it's for different level.
All right. And did you think of this main platform as being evolutive, that you could add things on it?
Yes, of course. We developed this to be to have an evolution. So today we have the sonnerie au passage. It's a complication here. You can put, but at the end we will develop other complication. And we can put the other complication in this timepiece.
Okay, meaning that if somebody buys this today, he will be able to upgrade it, so to say, without having to purchase the entire thing.
Exactly. And we can put this timepiece in horizontal and vertical. So the passionate will choose if he wants to put it like this or like this. He only have few operations to go in the horizontal position or in vertical position.
Okay. Perfect. So, I mean, this is kind of the perfect gift for little geekies like us. How many of these watches clocks, I mean, have you produced, and how many do you think you will produce?
We produced 50 watchmaking box sets, and we will produce 100 for the last year. And I explain for you that we have this book to share the beauty of watchmaking now, but we have also video for all the sequences. We guarantee the succeed of all apprentices, you know.
Okay.
All apprentices, it's, yes, he will succeed. It's our guarantee. We have a WhatsApp group to exchange with him and our watchmaking team. So if he has a question, we are here to answer. And if in 5 years he wants to do the maintenance of his timepiece, we will be here to explain how we can do the maintenance.
Okay, yeah, so no frustration involved. And from the people that have already bought it, I mean, have they already once assembled it once and then disassembled it, reassembled it? There's no issue with that?
We have passionate who do this for himself at the beginning, but they want to share this with their children or their father, or I don't know, and they disassemble and assemble again with a person they love.
That's nice. So let's talk about this a little bit, because that was kind of a nice little surprise, I guess.
Yeah.
What does it mean for you?
It's really an honor, because our goal was to share the beauty of watchmaking and to have the Audacity, the Audacity prize. It means that we understand this, we understand the concept, we understand that everybody, if he wants to discover the beauty of watchmaking, he can discover this, and we are so proud to receive this.
Well, it was very nice that the jury acknowledged that, and congratulations to you and your team. And thanks a lot for dropping by. And well, if you want to have a little bit of fun, I mean, this is a serious, nice little option for you. So all the very best. Thank you for watching. See you soon, and viva watchmaking!